Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the Aussie dollar, I definitely think we're either in a pullback to this whole move up, meaning this would be like an ABC crescent going to a Fibonacci retracement level and then continuing the higher time frame uptrend, or we are in a wave 1, 2, 3, which will bounce from Fib levels, but it will never give you a break of structure at a fib level. And luckily, it doesn't really matter whether it's an ABC or 1, 2, 3 at this point because the trading strategy is exactly the same for either scenario. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I definitely was expecting to see a little bit bigger of a pullback. I was hoping for a 50 or 60%, 61% pullback. But boy, it looks like it's trying to end the crescent. I mean, we got a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside. Because of my higher time frame analysis, I would not be surprised if this does go down. And the break of structure is what's really going to confirm a move to the downside. Until it breaks structure, you have to realize that it could possibly go down, make a higher low, and then start making its way back up. But with the trend being potentially down on the higher time frames, with the nice engulfing down at a Fibonacci level, there probably is a pretty good chance that it is going to just end up continuing the downtrend when it's ready. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.